Welcome back to HL Graphics, your go-to destination for graphic design tutorials.
Today, we're diving into the world of bag mockups. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to find a bag mockup to work with. Open up your web browser and head over to your favorite mockup website.
I have chosen Free Pick, where we get numerous free mockups with ease.
Look at the search bar above.
Type bag mockup in the search bar. Take this and a world of bag mockups will open in front of you. Here you will find bags of all sizes and colors. Click on Free and click on PSD. All the bags are free. You will find it here.
If you get a chance to learn anything from my work, please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments so that I can improve my videos and get more of your work. Thanks.
Here I have selected a bag. I will download it for free. You see, as soon as I click on Free Download, it will start downloading. As you can see, it takes a little time. After that, a PSD file bar will open in front of us, which we will double-click, and thus our bag mockup will open on our Photoshop.
Once you've found a mockup you like, go ahead and download it to your computer.
Subscribe, please. Now, let's fire up Photoshop. Create a new document with dimensions matching the mockup you downloaded.
Next, open up the mockup file you downloaded. Now take a look at my work. We'll save this bag mockup to our computer in the folder where we've already stored the bag mockups. First, we will save its PSD file and then click Save As again and save the JPEG file as well. Thus, we will use this mockup whenever we want.
There is a layer panel on the right-hand side. Double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. A new page will open in front of you. Go to Illustrator, where you have already prepared your design. Drag it to Photoshop.
Okay.
Here's where the fun begins. We're going to replace the placeholder design with our own artwork.
Make your design smaller and bigger according to the bag. Then look at the top. Once the name is visible, cross it and click on Yes below. Your work is complete and your design will change on the top of this bag. Has gone.
Once you're satisfied with your design, save the file and you're all set.
Now, just like I showed you how to save the file earlier, we will save this bag mockup as a PSD and JPEG file. But here we will rename it so that it saved this file with a different name and will get easy.
And there you have it. That's how you download and use a bag mockup in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
I aim to enhance your proficiency in utilizing bag mockups effortlessly. Therefore, I will demonstrate how to download and utilize another bag mockup effectively in Photoshop.
We'll follow a similar process here as we did with the first bag mockup. Additionally, I'll guide you through changing the color of the design on the bag. Utilizing bag mockups enhances the visual appeal of presentations, adding a touch of professionalism to your designs.
Wow.
I'm eager for you to fully absorb the insights from my work, so I invite you to immerse yourself in it from start to finish. Feel free to ask any questions that arise along the way, as your curiosity fuels my passion even more. You can find numerous videos and shorts on my channel, HL Graphics. I encourage you to watch them and consider subscribing to stay updated. Thank you for your support.
Mockup has a world of its own, and if you immerse yourself in that world, you will gain a lot.
Please always remember the name of HL Graphics.
Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.